The first step inside the sugar factory begins with controlled unloading. Fresh sugarcane arrives, where industrial transformation begins. Fresh sugarcane begins its journey within seconds of harvest. Continuous handling preserves freshness and sugar content.
Massive volumes are gathered for large-scale production.
Efficient transport keeps the harvest moving continuously.
Coordination is essential during peak harvest operations.
Harvested cane is gathered before factory transport. Careful handling maintains valuable raw material quality.
Every ton is measured before entering the supply chain.
Accurate records help optimize production efficiency.
The next stage begins as factory transport arrives.
All right, bring it back slowly. Right there, hold it.
Thousands of kilograms are prepared for processing. Next, the harvested sugarcane arrives for industrial processing.
Fresh sugarcane arrives, where industrial transformation begins. Every shipment is measured before entering production.
Continuous flow keeps the sugar factory operating efficiently.
The first step inside the sugar factory begins with controlled unloading.
Freshly harvested sugarcane enters the industrial production chain.
Powerful handling systems manage enormous harvest volumes.
Efficient logistics ensure uninterrupted factory operation.
Every shipment is verified before entering production. The harvest steadily advances toward transformation. Technology coordinates every movement throughout the factory. Accurate monitoring keeps production running smoothly.
Large-scale systems prepare sugarcane for the next stage.
Preparation is essential before extraction can begin.
The transition from transport to processing is now complete.
Every stalk moves closer to becoming refined sugar.
Inside the factory, every process is carefully synchronized.
The next phase begins with thorough cleaning and sorting. Now the sugar factory prepares the harvest for extraction and refinement.
Human expertise and automation work together.
The sugar factory begins by removing dirt and field debris.
Only properly prepared sugarcane advances further.
Intensive washing improves raw material quality before processing. Efficient separation maximizes production performance.
Final preparation ensures consistent processing conditions. The next stage prepares sugarcane for extraction.
Powerful equipment begins reducing the cane into process-ready pieces.
The heart of the sugar factory awaits.
The sugar factory now unlocks the valuable juice inside every stalk.
Extraction separates liquid sweetness from fibrous material.
Thousands of liters are collected every hour. The journey from raw juice to refined sugar has begun.
Purification removes unwanted impurities from the juice.
Careful control ensures consistent sugar quality. Only purified juice continues to the next stage. Filtration further improves product consistency. At last, pure sugar crystals begin to emerge. The sugar factory now separates valuable crystals from remaining syrup. Pure sugar crystals continue forward, while molasses follows a separate path. Drying prepares the crystals for final refinement. Automation maintains precision at industrial scale. Every process remains carefully supervised.
Intelligent systems coordinate material flow.
Before packaging, quality must be confirmed one final time.